Welcome to Caribbean Kitchen Cooking Classes by Lystra Sipasad Baksh. Discover the fun of cooking with our experienced Master Chef Lystra Sipasad, specialized in a variety of cuisines such as East Indian, Italian, American, Trini breakfast, and Chinese. We focus on using fresh, nutritious ingredients as we teach our students the fundamental cooking skills they need to make delicious food. Apart from cooking classes, we also extend our services to swimming classes, also a poolside lounge where you can host any events such as birthdays, baby showers, or family get-togethers. No need to be financially constrained. Chef Lystra would be willing to customize your experience to suit your budget and any special requests. We have packages that includes a variety of buffet items and also cocktails to be served. So call us today to make your event delightfully unique through creative vision and beautiful artistry.